So we just wrapped up a few days of R&R and lots of editing up here near Flagstaff. We have a couple videos, so we are going to roll into Flagstaff and find some Wi-Fi and maybe some additional caffeine, and then northbound, keep this thing going. I don't know if we can make the North Rim by tonight. I don't know if we want to make the North Rim by tonight, because I kind of like to take Caroline to see the South Rim too. So maybe we'll find a camp spot somewhere between here and there. All right, so here we go. Oh, and here's my current view. We just made our stop in Flagstaff. We got a new video uploaded. We got all kinds of emails answered and things like that. And now we just finished up at the grocery store. Bought like 3 weeks worth of food.
No.
Okay, a week's worth of food. So now we are headed to Goodwill because we were able to downsize some more of our clothing and storage boxes. Mama's happy about that.
Because I'm the packing queen.
She is the packing
young and free, digging adventure queen.
Anyhow, so yeah, Goodwill, drop off a few things, and then we are bound for the South Rim of the Grand Canyon. One of the challenges of traveling through this dry country is you want to keep a check on all the fire restrictions, just so you don't end up camping somewhere you're not supposed to, or lighting a fire when you're not supposed to. So I got the restrictions posted back here, so we're going to just take a quick look at them. So basically it's a mix of stage 1 and stage 2 fire restrictions. The good news is you can still run a propane campfire as long as you do it on barren ground. So that's why we choose to run our little propane camp stove, because you can use it just about anywhere and anytime. So let's go find us a camp spot. Hey, liking that Snowmaster?
Love it.
Love it?
Yes, I can get so much food in there.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm like creating like systems for how and where I want things.
Okay.
So I'm pretty stoked.
Have I messed with your system too much yet?
Not yet.
Okay.
Now you've messed with my pantry and dry goods.
Oh, wait till you see where I put groceries away.
Oh, good Lord. Let me get a beer.
Needless to say, the Snowmaster 66-liter fridge has quickly become one of our most relied upon pieces of gear in this journey. The true dual zone control allows us to configure it as a fridge or freezer on either side, and its huge capacity means we can go a very long time before needing to restock, which will come in handy once we reach the Alaskan wilderness and the Northwest Territories of Canada.
What are we drinking tonight?
We're going to drink some Orange Blossom, Mandarin and Wheat.
Uh-huh.
And it's family owned, locally brewed in Arizona, in
Awesome.
Tempe.
Wow.
It's delicious.
It is good
Probably my new favorite beer. I'll be sad when we leave Arizona and I can't find it anymore. Oh, each new state we should go and find like the state made beer.
Let's do it.
See, what's the best? Didn't think it was gonna happen that fast.
Whoa! Oh my gosh, that just happened. I wish I'd been filming that. Wow. I got a bug in mine. When we left Phoenix, we had really hoped to have like a flash sale for all of our t-shirts and stuff, just so we didn't have to bring it with us, and just didn't get time. So we brought it with us in hopes that we'd do a flash sale and then spend a day at the post office mailing stuff out. Well, we just got to camp and just noticed something a little peculiar up on the roof of the 4Runner, and there actually might be some free shirts between here and Flagstaff right now. So, scavenger hunt is on. How in the world?
I don't even know.
How in the world? Look at this.
Like, I guess it just like flopped open.
How? And then how did it suck it out of there?
I don't even know, but like that is all the way out.
That's, oh my gosh.
Look, like ripped it open. Yeah, that's pretty loose.
Here we are trying to tread lightly, and there's probably a Lifestyle Overland t-shirt laying on the side of the highway somewhere. Oh my goodness. But anyhow,
That's hilarious.
pretty cool campsite here. We are in Kaibab National Forest. We are not far from the entrance of the Grand Canyon on the south side. We're only about maybe 2 miles. So prime location. It's not very crowded right now. You know, it is a, what day is it?
It's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday. I don't really keep track of that anymore. So yeah, let's set up camp.
I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger. Alright, let's wear a finger for people like them. Oh no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. I keep on falling astray from my intuition, but I'm pretending it's not my fault. No. The way you make glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh, no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good.
Day 5 of northbound travel, and we are, where are we?
In Mixo Canyon.
A what?
In the canyon.
The
Huh?
Grand Canyon.
The Grand Canyon!
You got like chocolate all in your teeth.
You know what I was thinking about?
So today, Caroline is going to see the Grand Canyon for herself. I saw that for the first time. There are all kinds of helicopters. This is the South Rim. Welcome to the South Rim. We're going to the North Rim later. It'll be a little bit more quiet. Right?
Right.
Okay.
What?
We have some homemade, I'm just kidding. These are some chocolate covered donuts. I'm waiting on coffee before I eat mine, but somebody couldn't wait, right?
Well, I take one of your donuts.
What?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
But I have free. Well, I have free.
I think you need to like slow your sugar intake down. This is a special treat. We don't do this very often, right?
This is mine.
I don't think so.
So we're going in there?
Where are we going?
Grand Canyon.
Say it like you mean it.
The Grand Canyon!
All right. Mama, you ever seen the Grand Canyon?
I have not ever seen the Grand Canyon.
Let's go see the Grand Canyon.
Let's go see the Grand
Let's do
Canyon.
it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Good.
Do it.
I'll be back later, then.
multi-pass? Hi there.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
All right.
Like Robinson man singing a song, just gotta keep on keeping on. I really wasn't sure what I was hoping for, but you knew everything you've done is all before. You know what I want, babe. You know everything that gets me going. You know what I want, babe. All the little things that I'm not showing. You know what I want, babe. And you know it all before I do it. You know what I want, babe. You know what I need before I show it. I can really sense that all the things been happening is no coincidence. 'Cause you know what I need, yeah. You know what I want, babe.
Finally, a parking spot. That was intense.
Kind of ridiculous after
That
once
was-
we realized what it took. to
That
get
was
here.
unreal. But like, look at this. So, a little tip. Parking area number 4. Go down to parking area number 4. It's not that bad. At least not today.
Not today.
You're going down there? So this is my first time to the Grand Canyon. It is amazing. Like, I just can't even take it all in. I mean, this isn't even the best spot to look, but it's just amazing. I am loving every second of this. Guys, we just got done at Horseshoe Bend. It was everything that I had hoped it would be.
It's sweaty.
And we're all sweaty now because it is 5:40 p.m. and 93 degrees. It was a hot one. There is no shade and it's sandy. You go up, level out, and you think, oh, this is gonna be easy. No, 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 no. You go back downhill, 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 downhill. Then you get to the bottom. I will say, totally worth it, but be prepared for a hot hike if you come in the summertime. But otherwise, all of the pictures meet every expectation, and it was well worth it for sure. I would go and do it again right now.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Our first day of exploring the south rim of the Grand Canyon was absolutely incredible in spite of the crowds and parking lot chaos. It's so true that pictures and videos certainly do not do it justice when attempting to convey the vast size and beauty of this natural wonder. After a hectic day of navigating the crowds of tourists, it was time for a bit of relaxation, Arizona brew, and our absolute favorite trail meal, Camp Pizza.
They're all worried something's wrong, making it important to be the first in line. So when the cookie crumbles, the best piece they will find. Oh, we're racing to a red light. It's right there before our eyes, somehow hidden in plain sight. And we are racing to red lights. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to swear free. I'm just as bad as you, and sometimes worries you see. But all this crazy right, I'm looking for the breaks. Come join me in the search, I think that's what it takes. Oh, we're racing to a red light. It's right there before our eyes, somehow hidden in plain sight. And we're all racing to a red light.
Join us next time as we move away from the crowded south rim and make our way to the more remote north rim in hopes of finding some peace and solitude as we soak in the beauty and grandeur of this awesome landmark. For GPS tracks and waypoint data on this trip, consider joining our Lifestyle Overland patron community at www.patreon.com/lifestyleoverland.